What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a subcategory of a forest that is characterized by the amount of rain it receives, more than the normal annual rainfall of 175 cm to 200 cm. Rainforest exists only in humid and hot weather conditions. A forest is a general term which describes a large area with a large number of trees growing. Types of forests are generally defined by the dominance and variance of trees and the climate. Common types of forest include the taiga, temperate hardwood forest, tropical dry forest, and rainforest, which is the type of forest we will be discussing about. Rainforest once covered 14% of the entire planet, but now it dropped to 6%, which is more than half of how much it used to be. Although they now cover less than 10% of the whole planet, more than 50% of flora and fauna of the Earth are found in these forests. Rainforests are categorized further into tropical and temperate rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator of the Earth, in tropical and humid areas, between the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north, and Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5 degrees south. 40% of Earth's oxygen comes from tropical rainforests. They have an average humidity of 77 to 88%. Temperate rainforests are found along coasts in the north and south hemisphere, between the tropics and polar regions. It covers an even smaller area of the world compared to tropical rainforests. The main stretch of this habitat is along the Pacific coast of North America. They extend from Oregon to Alaska. There are also small areas in southeast coast of Chile, New Zealand, and South Australia. These are the differences between tropical and temperate rainforests. Tropical rainforests are warm and wet whole year long, having temperatures between 20 to 34 degrees Celsius. Temperate rainforests are cool and have two seasons. The winter season is quite long and wet, and the summer season is short, dry but foggy. They have temperatures between 0 to 20 degrees Celsius. Tropical rainforests have broad-based leaves. Temperate rainforests generally have needle-like leaves. Tropical rainforests consist of diverse types of flora and fauna. Because temperate rainforests possess seasonal climate, they do not have diverse types of flora and fauna. Tropical rainforests have an average of 200 to 1000 centimeters of rainfall yearly. Temperate rainforests have less rainfall than tropical rainforests, about 130 to 355 centimeters yearly. Trees in the tropical rainforests are 50 to 100 years old. Trees in the temperate rainforests are 500 to 1000 years old. Decomposition occurs quickly in tropical rainforests because of the hot and humid condition. Decomposition occurs at a comparatively slow rate in temperate rainforests. There are four distinct layers of trees in a tropical rainforest: emergent, upper canopy, understory, and forest floor. The trees in the emergent layer are the tallest and are widely spaced apart. They are usually 30 to 75 meters in height. The upper canopy consists of trees 18 to 40 meters in height. Trees in this layer easily reaches the light, but greatly reduces light below them. The understory, or lower canopy, consists of bushes, shrubs, plants, and small trees up to 18 meters high. The plants that grow here tend to have large leaves to capture what little light is available to them. Most areas of the forest floor receive so little light that few bushes or herbs can grow there. Estimated at around 130 million years older than the Amazon jungle, Malaysia's rainforests are host to some of the most diverse tropical ecosystems in the world. Over the years, Malaysia's rainforests have nurtured a tremendous diversity of flora and fauna and serve as homes of countless unique mammal and bird species. Amongst these include Malayan tigers, proboscis monkeys, orang-utans, Malayan tapirs, and hornbills. These are the major forest types in Malaysia. These are a few of the well-known rainforests located in Malaysia. The world's tallest tropical tree, measuring 94.1 meters, was discovered in May 2016. The tree stands on a hillside in Denham Valley, a protected reserve in Sabah. Banjaran Titiwangsa, or the main range, runs along the backbone of peninsular Malaysia and stretches 500 kilometers southwards from the Thai border. It plays a vital role in serving as water catchment areas to supply fresh water for almost 90% of the peninsula's water needs. Tropical rainforests took between 60 and 100 million years to evolve and are believed to be the oldest and most complex land-based ecosystem on Earth, containing over 30 million species of plants and animals. 1 hectare of lowland rainforest may contain 1,000 trees with up to 300 species. These plants in turn provide food and shelter for many rare animals that depend on the rainforest for their survival. Rainforests store water like a huge sponge. Rainforest trees draw water from the forest floor and release it back into the atmosphere in the form of fogs and clouds. Trees cleanse our atmosphere. They absorb the carbon dioxide that we exhale and provide the oxygen we need to breathe. Soil in the rainforest is very poor in nutrients. Tree roots bind the soil together, while the canopy protects the soil from heavy rains. If trees are removed from the forest, the nutrients are removed with it, along with the protection provided by the tree roots and the forest canopy. The unprotected soil is washed away in heavy rains, causing floods in lowland rivers. Many indigenous people have been living in harmony with the rainforest for thousands of years, depending on it for their food, shelter, and medicines. More than 25% of modern medicines originate from tropical rainforest plants. Many foods we consume today, such as nuts, bananas, coffee, and spices, and industrial products such as rubber, resins, and fibers, were originally found in tropical rainforests. Malaysia's land surface was once almost entirely covered with forest. Today, forests still cover about 59.5% of the total land area. However, deforestation is a major concern as the country is still rapidly developing. In the 20 years from 1983 to 2003, there was a reduction of about 4.9 million hectares of forest cover in Malaysia. Why are the rainforests in Malaysia deforested? Rainforests are being deforested for one main reason: economy gain. To get profit from the rainforest, these activities take place: logging, urbanization, and expansion for oil palm and rubber plantations. The timber of tropical trees is taken and exported to other countries for profit. This is a picture that shows the amount of rainforest decreasing from 1950 to 2010, and a prediction of how much rainforest would be left in 2020. Merapo's rainforest recently got disturbed by heavy machineries clearing the land. Merapo Rainforest is a wildlife sanctuary that harbors animals such as elephants, bears, tapirs and tigers, and flora such as Rafflesia. The land was cleared illegally for sand and gold mining as well as for agriculture. The rainforest is a source for clean water for the nearby villages. Deforestation caused soil erosion and caused the nearby rivers to become muddy. There is nothing much we can do to stop deforestation. What we can do is make sustainable choices in buying products like recycled paper and timber products that have seal from a credible forestry certificate. We should not buy anything from multinationals that are actively or indirectly involved in clearing of forest land and support companies that produce products that cause minimal harm to the environment. We can also make a habit of recycling at home. We can indirectly save the rainforest by buying responsibly sourced wood products. Teaching and encouraging others how they can save the rainforest can make a difference. We can help to save the rainforest by donating or contributing to organizations that work hard to protect nature. These are a few of the organizations in Malaysia: Malaysia Nature Society, World Wildlife Fund, and Sabah Wetlands Conservation Society. So, please make a donation.